Whoa! The barge line snapped. This changes everything.
Husky, stay focused. I see a smarter route ahead.
Husky, Motorbike, keep steady. We'll stabilize the rig together.
Got it, bunny twins. Let's move carefully, one step at a time.
The shaking line is worse now. We'll need to adjust on the fly.
Hold the hook in place. We can stop it from sliding.
Everyone, the clock's ticking. We need a clear move to lock this in.
I've got it. Follow my lead. This route will work.
Careful now. Husky, keep the cargo balanced while Motorbike leads.
I'm on it. Let's lock this in for good.
Almost there. Bunny twins, stabilize the last piece.
Done! Husky, check the rig. It's holding steady.
The cargo is secure. Great teamwork, everyone.
We did it. Calm moves made all the difference.
Cheers, everyone! Watch, plan, act. It's the way to go.
Exactly. Hey, folks, what was your favorite moment? Share in the comments.